Alright, so to all viewers, here we go again. So if you watch my previous video, most of the garlic, there is a root. And then what I'm going to do is we are going to transfer into the container. So you see the old container, this is recyclable container. So what I did, I used the knife, I make a hole. So you can see from that video, there is a hole in order to to drain the water. And then I'm making another, I make two, so just in case. See, look at that. Yeah, so at least the water will remain there. So even I'm not using water, I'm not always sprinkling the water from the plants. I'm always have a backup. You see, even the onion is also there. So I'm going to transfer onion and garlic. See the onion, see, that's the garlic. So that's the previous garlic that I use. I'm going to transfer also. So I transfer only few and then I mix with the onion. So this is only an experiment, yeah. So all right, so that's the soil. I took soil from the backyard. This soil is a compost soil. All right, so what I did, I just put the soil there and then I mix it. All right, see, there are two plants there, onion and garlic. So I think they're going to, compete each other. So my plan is I just put it there temporarily, and after few more days I'm going to transfer again. So yeah, and then from there, this is the backup just in case. That's the water. Oh, see, okay, I have two double container. So there's a water backup just in case. So yeah, from there I'm using I get some water to water the plants. And then all right, you can see that from the video, I water the plant. This is an experiment. I don't even expect that this going to grow, but the last video that I show you, I just put the garlic only in the water and suddenly there's a lot of roots. Now this is the second experiment. Just have a look and then see you on the next video. I will show you the result of this one for the part 3. All right, thank you, bye.